Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now, I want to send a huge shout out to my good friend, my longtime friend, Matthew Carreira. Now, many of you that know Matthew know he's very hardworking and he has been his entire life. And on top of being hardworking, he's also incredibly intelligent because what he just did was he purchased a three-family home as a first-time home buyer, and he's living in one of the units, renting out the other two, and you know what? He's breaking even. He has no housing expenses. So this enables Matthew to continue working, save that money that he would be spending on a single-family home mortgage or a rent payment, and get his next rental property that much quicker. And Matthew is also self-managing his own property, so he's going to learn the ins and outs of the business, from the finances to the maintenance to the psychology. All of these things that encompass with a rental property, you're going to learn, Matt, and I'm so proud of you. And Nexus is always here for you should you make your way out here to Rhode Island and Massachusetts. So once again, a huge congratulations to you, and keep it going. Once again, this is Gregory. We're here at Nexus Property Management, your property managed.